नहीं है कुछ भी बिग एंड बैड, सब
बिल्कुल
अच्छा
नहीं
है,
है, बिल्कुल नहीं।
सब अच्छा है।
प्राइमर आपने दिया है इनको?
मैं क्या ही दूंगा यार, ये शनाया कपूर है, you know, शनाया कपूर
नहीं, पहले तो तुम्हारा ग्रुप चैट है अनन्या फैंस।
She made this.
उन्होंने खुद बनाया।
She's only made this. When it comes to trolling, I honestly, I've said this earlier as well. For me, I didn't take it as trolling. I just took it as constructive feedback.
चाहे वो क्रिटिसिज्म हो या चाहे it could be things not working around the way you aspire them to, you should have the gumption to take them on your chin and move forward, restart, as I've said this, जग जाहिर है कि रोहिणी जी is my favorite.
It is the magic of the movies, right? The reason why we go to the cinema week on week. We want to see something that surprises us, or sometimes just something that feels like a part of our own lives. And sometimes it's just better looking people. Well, this one is definitely one of those films. This is Aankhon Ki Gustakiyan, and this is a title I'm really dying to bring to you on Just to Film Me. And with me, of course, are the stars of the film, Vikrant and Shanaya Kapoor. Are we actually doing this? Oh my God! ये नाम लेने के लिए मैं तरस रही थी बहन. Well done, well done. You finally
Thank you.
made.
Thank you for having us. I'm so excited.
Thank
Welcome
you.
to the movies, babe.
Yes.
I want to ask you, Vikrant, what did you have to tell her about the good, great world of movies? Not big bad world, the good, great world.
नहीं है कुछ भी बिग एंड बैड, सब
बिल्कुल
अच्छा
नहीं
है,
है, बिल्कुल नहीं।
सब अच्छा है।
प्राइमर आपने दिया है इनको?
मैं क्या ही दूंगा यार, ये शनाया कपूर है, and I have been saying this
morning.
शनाया कपूर है। नहीं, because यार ये सब कुछ ये बहुत ही सुलझी हुई हैं, जो कि आपको भी पता चलेगा जितना समय आप इनसे बात करेंगी, and I'm sure there'll be many a moments for you to interact with her. इनका लाइनअप बहुत लंबा चौड़ा है, आप इनको हर फिल्म पे तो मिलेंगी, बट बिफोर आई बिगिन, थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी अगेन ऑन जस्ट टू फिल्म मी. जग जाहिर है कि रोहिणी जी is my favorite, so here I am, so once again, so thank you for that.
And I just want to say that it may not be true or may be true, but he's actually changed his whole look for this interview.
Yes, I have. I'm like, अरे यार,
But
कुछ
let's
नया
talk about
करते हैं.
that. Like, come on. Like, when men shave
Nice,
and make a
thanks.
hairstyle change, their kids may not recognize them.
Yeah,
That's number
my
one.
son didn't. My son didn't recognize me for 30 seconds.
Oh my God.
Yes. No, but I have to answer the previous question. मैंने इनको कोई सलाह नहीं दी, to be very honest. छोटा मोटा on set हो सकता है, अब वो याद नहीं है. Because she's very sorted in her head. And when I say Shanaya Kapoor, it's not because of anything, but she's seen it all. She's lived it all already. And she is someone who's taken the hard stride forward. She's someone I really look up to in a lot of ways. इतनी young age में इन्होंने बहुत कुछ देखा है, और उन तमाम तजुर्बों को ये like they say ना, एक fighter की तरह she's taken it on the chin and moved forward gracefully. मैं क्या ही सिखाऊंगा यार, क्या
This is
सिखाऊंगा
so
मैं?
sweet. What a glowing
And that's
start.
true.
This is beautiful.
That's true.
This is
मुझसे ज्यादा प्रिपेयर्ड थी हैं फिल्म पे. 15 दिन पहले प्रेप शुरू किया, वो अलग बात है, बट फिर भी यार, मतलब मेरी लाइनें इनको पता है,
क्या बात है?
सारे सेकेंडरी कास्ट की लाइनें इनको पता है. She was like that. The privilege was all mine to work with her.
Amazing. So, welcome to the movies.
Welcome
This is
to the
fun.
movies.
This is fun.
तालियां, फिर से
Yeah,
तालियां.
come on, yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Who's most excited about this debut? I have a feeling it's Maheep, because she's been wanting this to happen for you for very long.
Yes.
Is that right?
I mean, I think both my parents are equally excited in different ways. I think my mom shows it in a very, very different way. She actually had this amazing surprise back at home for me once the film was done, and she'd come back from a trip, and I'd come back from shoot, and she was like, come to your room. And I was like, why? What happened? And I opened the door, and it was all these letters. And these special gifts that she had like made, given, bought, and the most special was, of course, the letters. And also she had collected all of these, any article that she saw about my work, or anything that she had seen about my work, any photo, she had cut out these things and pasted it in these
So sweet.
like a scrapbook.
Yeah,
and each gift had this letter behind the Sabha, behind some other characters that I'm currently shooting for. So it was just and she was like, this is not happening again. She said this is your first film and I know how big it is for
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
And she was like, this was her way of showing her excitement and love. So it was a very special
मुझे लगा सिर्फ
special
मेरी
night.
माँ मेरी मम्मी मिडिल क्लास है, मुझे पता नहीं था महीप कपूर भी मिडिल क्लास
She
है.
is all hard.
Yeah, and they say na love at first sight. And what happens when there is no sight? It's like that's the first thing that popped into my mind. For you, it's the chance to do something different. For you, it's the chance to start off without one of your senses.
Yes.
So what was that like, and how? I'll be honest with you. मैंने एक play किया था बहुत साल पहले जहाँ पे both me and my protagonist, the male protagonist, we were both blindfolded, and it's a love story. And here we are, when I saw this trailer, I said, I remember how tough it was. Because how do you express and emote when you can't see each other, guys?
Yeah.
So, was there like a trust building that needed to be done to understand each other?
I think this is such a pertinent question for her. पहली फिल्म में इतना बड़ा चैलेंज लेना, एक हीरोइन का किरदार आप कर रही हैं. I mean, she doesn't like it. She wants to be remembered for her performances. But पहली फिल्म है. Conventionally एक लड़की चाहती है कि दुनिया उसकी आंखों की गहराई में डूब जाए. एक हीरोइन की आंखों में डूब जाए. आप प्यार इजहार कैसे करेंगे? बताइए, कैसे किया आपने? पहली फिल्म.
No, I think you'll because I think you've experienced it yourself. I mean, when you wear a blindfold, your thoughts scatter.
Yes.
And you have to really learn to be present. You have to really learn to be calm, be in the moment, center yourself. I remember the first time I wore the blindfold, it was a full blackout, and I had to just do like relax. Don't let your thoughts go everywhere. You know your character, you've done the backstory, you know her inner conflict, you are aware of her flaws, you're not judging them, you're like there, you've done it. Like just now be in the moment and just center yourself. I think that was something very challenging for me. And I think what we were discussing earlier as well, when you don't have your visual cues as an actor, there's so many other senses that you have to rely on, and so many other senses you have to probably heighten and work on a little bit more. And that's what I tried to do in my workshops. I wore a blindfold, I went out, I was on a beach, I went roamed in my actor's building, his lobby, I roamed around there, we went on a car drive, danced on music, sang, did scenes, brushed my teeth with a blindfold, did everyday things in my room with a blindfold, just so that I could understand and get comfortable, so that Shania is comfortable, and when Sabha is wearing the blindfold, she can do whatever she has to do, and whatever Sandy sir tells me, you have to go in this direction or that. Now, we'll get to see if Sabha is comfortable or not in the blindfold. That's going to be revealed in the film. But as Shania, I had to be comfortable so that Sabha can do whatever she wants to. And that's what I really tried to do. And I think that, of course, there was a instant trust that was built, because I think even before, when we were discussing earlier, in our first scene, this is in the teaser as well, we're sitting across each other. That was probably one of the first days of shoot, was that sequence. And when you're doing a scene and you have your visual cues, you also have to learn to kind of switch off everything around. You have to switch off that probably there's someone holding a thermocol right below. You have to switch off that there's a light hitting you from here. And you have to switch off that there's someone maybe on the side doing the focus. Because of course, this is what filmmaking is about. You have to switch off, you have to be in the moment, and you have to cut that out. But over here, we both couldn't see. So we both switched off. Everything was not like, we didn't know where we were. It was just, we just trusted each other, and that trust automatically built, because there was an instant connection already that, listen, we're both in this together. We both know what we're feeling right now. We both are in this moment. And it actually somewhere it helped in a way as well, because we got lost in the scene. Because
How beautiful.
we
How
got
beautiful.
lost into it because we forgot what environment
There's
we're
that,
in.
and there's the
Yeah.
comedy also, right? Like when you're off camera or when you're on camera and then you cut, because you're just like, ye mera haath nahi hai. Oh, sorry, I had to do that. Shania, that's not my hand. That's my nose, guys. Dirty. But I love the fact that both of you have had to push yourselves, and I think that premise is so exciting for me because I feel, in a weird way, you're also making so many people feel seen, like without
Yes.
being able to see.
We hope.
And I think that's really beautiful.
We really, really hope.
Yeah.
Also, we need more love stories so that there's more music. And I love the music, and I
Aye,
had to say
thank
that. The
you.
music is
Thank
amazing.
you.
Vishal Mishra, huge fan. But I do want to talk about each of your sort of like the struggles that both of you are y'all just wear it like it's no big deal. And that really surprises me about you, Vikrant, as well as you, Shania, because y'all are both coming, and that's what I see common between the two of you. Vikrant, you've not had an easy journey. Finally, you can say, "Ha, Vikrant Massey, yaar, bankable star and all." Like, wow, wow,
Not
wow.
yet. You're being too kind.
No, the truth is, you have a mainstream Bollywood film in theaters that people will come and buy a ticket to watch you, right? And with you, it's taken a while for making that debut. How does one navigate this? How have you navigated? Because it's been a tough time for you. I remember when your ad came out, there was a significant amount of trolling. And I'll be honest with you, I'm one of those who's constantly thinking, why? Apna koi kaam kar lo yaar. But that's me. So, and I've spoken to you a lot about trolling in the past. So,
And we are glad to have people like you.
yeah,
and
because
I
we're here
genuinely
for the
mean
movies.
it.
Thank you.
And we are, as an actor, we go beyond professional
Yes, of course.
relationships. But there are, इसे वही big bad नहीं है दुनिया, अच्छे लोग हैं इस दुनिया में.
The
So
good,
thank you.
great
the
world.
good, the good, great world.
Yes. So how did
Thank you
you
for that.
deal with it? Like, how did you deal with it?
I mean, when it comes to trolling, I honestly, I've said this earlier as well. For me, I didn't take it as trolling. I just took it as constructive feedback. I was doing, I was facing the camera at that time for the first time, and my work had come out. And of course, the audience's opinion and what they say matters to me a lot. I actually am a person who sits down and I go through the comments. I go through everything. I read the
Really?
articles, I see the comments, I want to learn from it, I want to take that feedback. And I think it's my job. I can't take it to my heart and I can't be like, oh, this is something I can't handle. This is the least of what I have to do. I'm getting the chance to face the camera. The least I can do is listen to my audience. And I'm here and I know that I have to earn my place here with their acceptance, right? And that's only going to happen if I work hard, if I do those honest choices, but I need their approval to be accepted. And yes, like you said earlier, of course I come from a certain background, and of course these opportunities and the access is much easier to me. I'm still aware of that, even though if it's taken me 3 to 4 years to be here today. And how you said welcome to the movies, it's a moment, it's a feeling, but of course I'm so aware of the fact that it's still come much easier to me. But I think it's my responsibility that is that I don't take advantage of those opportunities and I don't misuse it. And I haven't. And luckily, I'm very grateful that I saw the setbacks of this industry. I saw the unpredictability. I saw how you can have a film one day and the next day, literally, you don't.
Yeah.
I have experienced that. And I think those experiences have shaped me in who I am today. And hopefully, I'm hoping that it's made me a better artist because I took that time to just work on myself. Like my dad always told me, you're not getting the chance right now to face the camera, but you like acting, no? So I said, yes, I do. So he's like, then act in front of an audience, go do workshops, pick a scene, go once a week in front of an audience, go for actors workshop, which was a once a week weekend class, perform in front of 30, 40 kids, do a group workshops with 10 kids, do scenes. That's what you like to do. That's what you have fun doing. Keep working, put your head down because that's what's in your control. The rest is not. So I just, and like my mom says, she says, trust the universe's timing. And that's what I honestly believed in. And finally, here I am today sitting with Vikrant Massey, and I'm with you having this amazing chat. And it feels like, wow, I'm so grateful and I'm so happy the way things happen because I'm with you guys today and my trailer's coming out.
He's also like this only, okay? So I'm wondering, in the beautiful Pahads, the two of y'all must have been all philosophical.
नहीं यार,
You were just having
we
fun.
were having
I
fun.
hope you all were.
We definitely were.
We were having
क्या
fun.
सुलझी हुई लड़की है यार,
देखा?
क्या चल रहा है ये?
क्या कहा था मैंने?
बहुत सही कहा था, सही कहा था.
And मैं अपने बारे में क्या ही कहूँ? I mean, yeah, I almost think alike. I think
Yeah.
constructive criticism, Leena, you should have, as an actor, if you've chosen to live the life that you're living. एक तो ये, and both of us agree to this because you know we've spoken about this. वो जिंदगी जीने का बहुत कम लोगों को मौका मिलता है जिसके सपने देखे हो आपने.
बिल्कुल,
ठीक है.
बिल्कुल.
वो 1% भी लोग शायद ही होंगे. एक तो वो मिला है. तो you know, चाहे वो criticism हो या चाहे you know it could be things not working around the way you aspire them to, you should have the gumption to take them on your chin and move forward. You know, restart. As I've said this, you know, restart.
Just said the word. Yeah.
Yes.
That's it. That's it. All the 12th fail fans are going to be like restart.
And
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
how it ought to be.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
know,
yeah.
it can't be any other way. So that's how it should be. You know, you should just go out there and express yourself. Some days you land, some days you don't. But वो खुद से सच बोलने की capacity होनी बहुत जरूरी है.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
And thank you for, you know, I can't wait for this. We're going to do a quick face-off, okay? Are you guys ready? Shania, you did not wake up today thinking she'd be on the Just Too Filmy quiz, but she is.
Scared.
Okay, so obviously it's Vikrant versus Shania Kapoor.
अरे यार ये क्या बात है यार. चलो
Okay,
ठीक
so
है.
obviously you take your name first if you know the answer.
Okay.
Okay, all the
so
best.
wait, if I know the answer, I say
Shania.
Shania, and then I
Okay.
answer.
Yeah?
Okay.
So the first question. Which famous film is the line of the song Aankhon ki Gustakiya from?
हम दिल
Vikrant.
to चलना.
Vikrant.
Format
Format
भी कुछ होता है.
हम दिल.
Yes.
हाँ, हम दिल दे चुके सनम.
हम दिल दे
Okay,
चुके
yeah,
सनम.
that's okay.
हम नाम दे चुके सनम.
Okay. I have to say Shania,
Shania,
and then I
yes.
can't. I got too excited.
All right. एक ऐसी बॉलीवुड फिल्म का नाम बताएं जहां पर लीड कपल जो है एक दूसरे से मोहब्बत करने लगती है ओनली थ्रू लेटर्स.
विक्रांत.
Yes, Vikrant.
लंच बॉक्स.
Beautiful. Tell us the real name of the pop culture personality, the rebel kid.
विक्रांत.
Yes.
अपूर्व.
Wow!
Yes.
Who's the Gen Z here? Okay,
Well,
amazing.
I'm not good at
उसका
this.
सेकंड नाम नहीं मुझे
I
पता
need
but
to
this
buff up
passes
in
right.
these quizzes.
I think so. I
I
think
need to
so.
practice. Guys, help me out.
Okay, name the film that has the iconic dialogue. एक चुटकी सिंदूर तुम क्या
Shania.
जानो रमेश
Oh gosh,
बाबू.
Om Shanti Om.
Oh yes, she's got one.
I
All
let
right.
her. I
I
let her.
also got the other one, but I answered.
Took your own name. You
Yes,
didn't take your own
I
name.
didn't take my name.
गए हो.
Thanks.
Just to Filmy का क्विज जीते हैं विक्रांत. कोई हैम्पर नहीं मिल रहा.
Oh, I was just going to select the gift.
इसीलिए
I was
हम
gonna
शराब
steal
को
it.
मौका देंगे. हम आखिरी चीज कर रहे हैं जाने से पहले 3 ऑप्शन है आपके पास. अनन्या, सोहाना, महीम. You have to tell me who. Okay, from these people.
Okay.
पहले तो तुम्हारा ग्रुप चैट है अनन्या's फैंस.
She made this.
उन्होंने खुद बनाया.
She's only made this. I just want to make this clear. Ananya has made this.
ठीक है. किसे फोन करोगी to share the first look of your film from these 3?
Mom.
Of course.
Yeah.
To work out with,
Sohana.
to get papped with,
Ananya.
to show your OOTD looks to,
Sohana.
to sulk about your life,
Mom.
to discuss boys.
Mom.
Oh, क्या बात है यार. So mom wins through and through.
Mom, yeah.
Guys, I just want to say that I have only spent a few minutes with you all, but I'm looking forward to this film because more than anything else, I see a genuine love and respect for each other as co-stars.
thank
And I really hope that this film is going to bring us back to the theaters because I want to watch a love story. I want to sing the songs and I want to fall in love. So
Thank you.
congratulations
Thank you.
Thank you.
for the film already and I'll see you very, very soon.
Thank you.